Still all the guns of the forces. Get ready. Airborne from skies up the head in the door. Coming, make your jumps and take your clothes today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your pants.
And today on Have a Knife Day, we're here to talk about one of the new folding knives put out by our good friends at Spartan Blades. They have 3 grades: gold, silver, and bronze. Gold being elite, silver being pro, and bronze being field grade. So they have a knife for every price point. This is the OD green version of the Poros. This is a flipper and a liner lock, left and right hand tip of carry. The traditional arrow cut out on their pocket clip. And the good news is, instead of just having a empty hole when not in use, they fill it up with this nice little shield. That's a great attention to detail. Let's give you a better look at that. So the good news is when you want to choke up on it, it has this great ramp, and your thumb fits very, very comfortably in this position. Go ahead and do this one-handed. And check out that angle on that flipper. So let's talk about the descriptions on this. Now, this is designed by Iovito, who is one of the founders of Spartan Blades. The blade length is 3.75 inches. The blade thickness is 0.125 inches. Overall length is 9 inches. 154 cm stainless steel, coming in with a blade hardness of 58 to 60 HRC. Blade style is folding, drop point, flat ground. Blade finish, black titanium nitride coating, TIN. Frame lock, liner lock with OD green G10 scales, weighing in at 0.330 pounds. Now, the parts are all made in Taiwan, with the exception of the steel, which we have shipped from New York. That's right. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Remember, it's free for you, but gee whiz, does it sure help out the channel. Now, one of the things I would like to share with people is the pedigree of the people who designed these knives, and Curtis being one of the founders of Spartan Blades. His pedigree as well, it is very impressive. So after this, I'm going to be putting this up for you to view for yourself so you can appreciate the years of military experience that he brings to the table through special forces and, you know, all of the other things that he's done. And I would really like to share that with you so you have a greater appreciation of it. And I like this field grade series because having been based at Fort Bragg at that time in my life, this is an affordable knife that I could have had in my own kit. And it would have been a very, very welcome addition at that. Oh, so please hang around for that, please. Thank you so much. All right, thank you so much, everyone. I really appreciate you spending time here with us today. The great Black Cat Wonder himself, Knife Cat, is over there, zonked out. It is a warm summer day here in Southern California. Thank you so much. Once again, have a knife day.
We will boots and parachutes, all the guns of the forces. Get ready. Airborne.